What's up, friends? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to. So this is a video where we look at what to expect in the coming week, and we talk a little about what has happened in the past. So we're going to look at two pairs today, the Euro USD and the Pound USD. I'm already in the monthly chart, so I'm going to continue from where we have been reviewing. I've been talking about it for a while. So I already drew my Fibonacci on the chart. So I drew my Fibonacci from this high to this low here. So up here to down here. So I also did the same thing on Pound USD from the high to the low there. If you don't know how to draw Fibonacci, then I'll probably create another video for that purpose. So let's get right into the key focus of today. So first of all, let me zoom out a little bit here. So it pulled back to about the 61.8 level. This is for Pound USD. I'm starting on Pound USD. You can see the 61.8 level just around there. Okay, you can see it just around there. Then I forecasted that since it was declining, it was going to decline to about the 50 level, just about there. So far, and I forecasted about 300 pips decline. So for that forecast, right now we are just about 100 pips to go. So I hope most of us are able to take advantage of that decline. 300 pips was a lot, and it's almost complete right now. So what's going to happen is that let us also see it in Pound USD, in Euro USD too. Euro USD basically is the same thing from where we started talking about, which was when it was above 800, which was somewhere just around when it was at the 50 level. You get, that was when the decline started. So our target we're looking at is really about the 38.2 level. So if you look closely, it's just about 100 pips from that point. So two of them, they are kind of like in correlation, the Euro USD and the Pound USD. So what happens now? So let me look at other time frames just to give us a perspective. Let me go to the weekly. So in the weekly chart, let me zoom out a little bit. So in the weekly chart, you can see that right about at this point here, the weekly chart hit a support level, and that was like last week on Euro USD, but it didn't bounce back. It just this previous week still ended as a sell. So I'm thinking, of course, we have another weekly support here too. So I'm thinking it may just finally still get to the 38.2, or it may not exactly touch it. But this week we're entering right now, since we're looking at, say, another 100 pips drop, we'll have to be quite careful. I'll go to the smaller time frame and show us how to look at how to enter it, because this is a lot of weeks decline. This is a lot of weeks decline. So sooner or later we should expect, it's a lot of weeks decline. Sooner or later we should expect some kind of pullback, because the market doesn't just go in straight lines. It goes up, goes down, So there's also something. Well, before going that, let me just look at the Pound USD. So for the Pound USD, it's basically the same thing also. Okay, for the Pound USD, it didn't quite hit the support there. So the weekly support there, it didn't quite hit it. So there's even like a stronger chance that the pound USD is going to completely drop into that zone. So I guess looking at the two of them, I'm sure I'm going to be more bearish bias for the pound USD. That remaining 100 pips I was looking at, it's most likely going to complete it, if not even to more decline than that. Okay, so the way we usually look at it, we look at the bigger time frame, then we enter in on the smaller time frame, usually the 4 hours. So let me show you how I'm looking at entering in on the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, this is how it looks like right now for pound USD. Let me move this way. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now for the pound USD. I've been having up down pattern. So I would say that for the pound USD for now, maybe you in the coming week would look for a little bit of pullback if you see it, but use this place here as your stop loss. This zone, that zone there, that should be your stop loss. SP, this stop here should be your stop loss, which is about 450, I believe. Let me just check the exact level of what it is. So any entry you're doing for sale here, about 445, that should be the level that you are using as your stop loss. So we're still expecting more declines, but that's the stop loss zone that we'll be looking at. For the Euro USD, is less clearer. Let's look at the daily chart of it. Okay, on the daily chart is kind of like the pattern is kind of clearer on the daily chart, the decline. So for the daily chart, I would suggest that we use here as our stop loss. This place here as our stop loss. So let me check the exact price of that, even though that's kind of high. Okay, so that level is 764. 764, which is about 100 pips. So let me go back to 4 hours again and look at it. Okay, so maybe because we already had some kind of pullback on the Euro USD. Okay, so it's still in the same zone. Even if we are using here as pullback, it's still basically just about at the 764 we're talking about. So I guess we have more room for stop loss for the Euro USD. You get, at the same time too, it may also still be providing a better entry, because if the Euro USD actually pulls back much more into the zone and you're using this point as your stop loss, it means that you can have a trade with a better ROR, less risk, more reward. So those are my thoughts for Euro USD and Pound USD for the coming week. If you got some value from it or you have questions, please drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.